So one of the nice features of this building is not only do we have our main storefront doors, we're also able to design these buildings with a nice overhead door as well, which provides easier access for product obviously coming in and out of the space. So now we're inside one of the brand new kitchens. This is a kitchen that is yet to be leased. We haven't had a tenant in here yet. So all the equipment is brand new. Nothing's been used yet. And I'd like to have an opportunity to show you kind of the pieces of the puzzle that we put together, okay? So behind me over my left shoulder here, one of the main aspects of the kitchens is putting in a hood, okay? So the hood is a 12-foot hood with the proper fire suppression, so it's a type 1 hood. We have a really great relationship with Pittman Restaurant Supply. They're the ones that come in and supply all the equipment for each of the kitchens that we put together, and they've been in business forever and they do a fantastic job. They know the right quality of equipment, they know the right type of equipment. So as an example, the Blodgett oven that we put in is a gas oven, and as you can see, I mean, it's still bright and shiny new and ready to go. So when you lease a kitchen from us in this project, especially here, you're going to be the first one to use it and to take it out for a road test. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. We really appreciate it, and we know how valuable your time is. If you're a chef, if you're a caterer, if you're in the food business in any way and want to get your kitchen up and running, give me a call today and we'll get you open just as soon as the health inspector will allow.